Hello and welcome again to Next Level Arabic. I am Iyas. In today's video, we'll continue learn about the Arabic alphabet. I'll just ask you to grab a pen and paper and let's get started. The first letter for today is R. R. Notice that it's a rolled R. It's not R, it's R. We roll the tongue with it. This letter doesn't connect with the letter after. That's why it looks the same in the initial position and in the main shape. So here, if you can see, it doesn't connect. Then in the middle, it's the same like in the beginning or the initial, but with linking arm from this side. And in the end, it's either connected or separated depending on the letter before. Now it's your turn to read the word, then look at the Arabic. Ramil, ramil. Second word, your turn. صخرة, صخرة. Third word. بحر, بحر. Ramil means sand, صخرة is rock, and بحر is sea. Here in the word صخرة, we already studied the kh. Here it's in the middle kh, then we have the ra. And as you can see in the word بحر, we know the three letters. We know the b, and we studied the ha, and now here is the ra. Next letter in this group is z. It looks exactly like r, but with one dot above. Z, z. The same approach. In the initial position, it looks like the main. In the middle, same like initial, but with linking arm. And in the final, either connected or separated, depending on the letter before. Now your turn to read the first word. زرافة, زرافة. Second word, your turn. غزال, غزال. Third word. خبز, خبز. زرافة is giraffe, غزال is gazelle, and خبز is bread. Now in the first word, as you can see, we have the z. We're familiar with ra as well, and with a. Zara. We know these three letters. Here we know the z and then a. And notice that here a is separated because z doesn't connect with the letter after, and the same with alif, doesn't connect with the letter after, so it's by itself. Then the third word, we know all the letters. We know the kh, and we know b, and then z. Let's move to a new group. It starts with the letter s, seen, or s, the sound that makes. The way that we write it, we call each one of these teeth. So it's 3 teeth, then we have this half circle or curve here. The first or the initial shape for this letter, it's just the first half of the letter, the 3 teeth, then we straighten the line like this. In the middle, it's the same like beginning but with linking arm from this side. And in the end, it's either connected or separated depending on the letter before. So it's your turn to read the first word. سمكة, سمكة. Second word, your turn. فستان, فستان. Third word, your turn. Shams, shams. Samaka is fish, fustan is dress, and shams is sun. Now in the second word, we are studying now the s letter, and we know the t here, then the a. We know these three letters. Okay. Next letter in this group is sh, 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 sh. And it looks exactly the same like sin or s, but with 3 dots above. In the initial position, same approach, 3 teeth with 1 straight line, and it has 3 dots above. In the middle, the same like beginning, but with linking arm. And in the end, it's either connected or separated, depending on the letter before. Now it's your turn to read the first word. Shams, shams. خشب, خشب. Third word, your turn. ريش, ريش. Shams is sun, خشب is wood, and ريش is quills. In the first word, we just studied the seam before, and now we have the sheen, sh. In this word خشب, we already know the kha, and we're studying the sheen, and we know the ba. Third word, we know only the sheen, and ra. We studied the ra and sheen. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you in the next video.